if you've been looking for a free website to download ebooks, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be showing you a website that you can download any ebook whatsoever for free. This website has over 81 million free ebooks and still counting. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't want to miss that enlightening information. Don't forget, if you're new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. I share tips, strategies, and opportunities to make money online. If that kind of thing interests you, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Right now, let's go into the website. Right now, we are on Google, and we are going to actually be clicking on that website now. Now, all you have to do is to search PDF drive. PDF drive, and you click on enter. It's going to bring you over to this page. I'm actually using a laptop. You can also use your phone for this. So right now, I'm going to come over to this first part, and I'm going to click on it. Once I click on it, it brings me over to this page. It says PDF Drive is your search engine for PDF files. As of today, we have 81,344,200. Wow, it's even counting, like they are uploading more books as we even speak. So this is actually the place for you if you're looking for where to download free ebooks. And there's so many of them, a lot of them in different categories. We have most popular, we have art, business, environment, health, personal growth, religion, whatever is that section that you want, you are going to have your video, you're going to have ebooks in that section. So let's come over to personal growth. For example, we want to download a book on personal growth. We're going to click on personal growth, and it has brought us to this page. Under personal growth, it even has spirituality, psychology, relationships, religion, self-improvement. So which aspect do you want? So you guys can see that this is actually an awesome site. Really, it's going to help you streamline whatever you want and give you the best options. So right now, let's look at this book. It's also showing us that it's a new, maybe a version or upload or something like that. So this book says, do the work. How do you now download this book? If you want to download a book like this, or if you have any book that you have in mind that you want to download, all you need to do is come over to this place and search for the book. Or if you don't have any book, you're just trying to try out, new books, check out what people are reading and the kind of ebooks that you can download, you can come over to this place and click Do the Work by Stephen Pressfield. If you can check this book now, you see that there are over 147,000 downloads already on this book, right from when it was actually published in 2014. So right now, all you need to do is to go over to this place and click on download. Once you click on download, it's going to load the page for you. Mind you, there is a tendency that when you click on download, it might take you over to another page. So the moment it takes you to another page, all you need to do is to come back to the page that you were, and you're going to see this section where it says download. So it has, this option is in PDF, but you could download in EPUB and Mobi. But the most popular one is also always in PDF. All you need to do is just click on download PDF. And if you see it right here, the book is already been downloaded on my laptop, and that's it. That is it. So if you're into Amazon KDP, or you are a person that loves to read books a lot, and you've been finding it hard, maybe you don't have the resources to pay for some books, but you really, really want to read, this is a website that you should jump on. And I'm sure you're going to thank me later for this. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you really got value. If you did, make sure you share this video with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be dropping a whole lot of more information on how to make money online on Amazon KDP and basically everything in between. So make sure, don't go, and see you in my next video. Bye.